Let's prepare to meditate. Adjust your body so that you are sitting comfortably. Close your eyes. Rest your hands on your lap in any way that is comfortable for you. Take a nice filling breath in. Breathe deeply in through your nose and breathe out slowly through your mouth. Do this again. Now when you exhale, breathe out with a long sigh. Do this breathing again a few more times to settle your mind and body. You are ready to begin. Have you ever noticed that our body warms the air we breathe in before we breathe it back out? Today we are going to notice this by paying very close attention to the air we breathe. We won't be paying attention necessarily to our lungs or belly, but instead we will focus on the actual air in and around us. Start by breathing in and out through your mouth. Don't force this. Breathe naturally. As you breathe in, pay very close attention to the air rushing into your mouth. Notice it feeling cool. As you breathe in, notice the cool air on your tongue. Notice the cool air as it touches your lips. Can you even feel the air as it touches your teeth? Notice this cool air as you breathe. Now notice your exhale. Notice as the breath leaves your lungs. Notice how it feels warmer. Feel the warmth of your exhale. Feel the warmth of your exhale on your tongue. Feel it on the roof of your mouth. Notice it as it brushes past your lips. Switch now to breathing through your nose only. Try to breathe in and out of your nose if it's comfortable for you. As you inhale, notice the coolness of the air in your nose as you breathe in. Notice its coolness. Try to feel it on the inside of your nose. Feel this coolness at the opening of your nose. How far inside this space can you feel the cool air rushing in? Focus on your exhale now. Notice as you exhale how your breath is warmer. Notice where you feel your exhale in your nose. Notice where you feel your exhale around your nostrils. Can you feel your breath on your upper lip as you exhale? Take a moment now to go back to your natural breathing. Breathe easily and take a moment just to be still and relax. As our meditation comes to a close, draw your attention back to your real body. Notice and feel where your body is touching the floor or chair. Wiggle your fingers, wiggle your toes. Take a deep breath. Now go ahead and stretch out your body in any way that feels good to you. When you are ready, open your eyes. Now go out and find the magic in your day.